How are you all? Yes. Okay, good. Okay, children. Let's continue previous lesson. Lesson number 10. Lesson number 10. What we learned? What we had learned? Yes. Comparisons. Comparing two places, things, animals, birds, places, etc. Okay, what we compare? We compare, naming words. Okay, to compare naming words or nouns, we use adjectives. Okay, what are adjectives? We know adjectives are describing words. Adjectives are describing words. Okay, children, in the last class we had learned how to use adjectives in a sentence when we compare places, when we compare persons. Okay, have you remember the first step, first change I told you? I think you have remembered the adjectives and with a y. Very good. The adjectives and with a y. See, I already discussed. I discussed very well. I think easy. So in the case of easy, E-A-S-Y. Easy ends with a y. So the adjectives end with a y. Just to drop y and add I-E-R. Okay, that is the first step, first change. Okay, to compare things, to compare persons. അതായത് നമുക്ക് കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യേണ്ടി വരുമ്പോൾ adjectives y ലാണ് അവസാനിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ just remove y and add I-E-R. Okay, easier. So we discussed. Okay, children, let's continue that chapter in this class. The next change I'm going to explain for you. Okay, children. Then if you want to compare two places, two things, two persons, animals, etc. So the adjectives end with vowel plus consonant. See, if there is adjectives end with a vowel plus consonant. For example, you can see this word. See, what is it? How you pronounce this? Big. B-I-G. See, here we can see this vowel and consonant. As we know, I is vowel and G is consonant. Okay, children, let me ask, what are vowels in alphabets? We can see 26 letters, right? So A, E, I, O, U, they are vowels, right? The rest of the 21 letters are called consonants. Okay, that already we learned in last classes. Okay, then this word big, B-I-G, this is an adjective. Okay, no doubt, this is an adjective. Then this adjective ends with a vowel and consonant. Which is vowel? Yes, no doubt, I is the vowel and the G is the consonant. So this word ends with a vowel and consonant. Okay, children, let me say, in this situation, if you want to compare, what we use, the consonant will double. Consonant will double. For example, B-I-G-G, then we can add E-R. Okay, so In the case of adjectives, adjectives end with a vowel and consonant. The last letter or consonant will double and we have to add er, bigger. So bigger. Then the same case here. Here also we can see vowel and consonant. Thin. T-H-I-N. Thin. Then this is a consonant. Consonant will double here. Thinner. Thinner. Okay? Okay, children? Okay, now you can take your textbook, page number 30. When an adjective ends with a vowel plus consonant, the consonant is double before adding er. Okay, then we can see some of the words there. Big, bigger, hot, hotter, thin, thinner, fat, fatter. Okay, then this is the second change. Okay, next one. Now look at these sentences where compare more than two things. See, a ladybird is a small insect. A spider is smaller than a ladybird. Okay, example is given there. Then in some cases, say one more thing you have to remember. This is the second one. Third one, when we compare two persons and places, things or etc., we have to use, see, in some cases we use EST. EST. What is it? EST. See, EST we always use in superlatives degree, so that we will learn in bigger classes. Okay, don't bother about that. So then large, largest, largest. Okay, then smallest. Okay, so in to some adjectives, okay, understand this, to some adjectives we use the most before them, as well as, see, the smallest, EST we will use. Okay, EST. Okay, in some places we use the most. Okay, so let me read that sentence once again in page number 30. When we compare more than two persons, places, things or animals, we use the EST form of adjectives. I told you, EST form of adjectives. We also, don't forget, we also use the before it. The before it. See, the, we have the smallest. Okay, the biggest. Clear? So, don't forget to use the before these adjectives. Okay, the example, then I told you, in some places we use the most. Example is given the most intelligent boy. See, where we use smallest or biggest. Smallest, ഏറ്റവും ചെറുത്, the biggest, ഏറ്റവും വലുത് എന്ന രീതിയിലാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇത് ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. So I told you, you will learn later in bigger classes in detail. Okay, so now you understand this much. Okay, in some cases we use EST to the adjectives. Before that adjective we must use the. Okay, clear? In some situations we use the most. Example is given the most intelligent boy. The most intelligent boy. ഏറ്റവും ഉയർന്നതായിട്ട് പറയുകയാണ് the most. ഇനി അതിൽ കൂടുതലില്ല. The most intelligent boy. Okay? Yes. The most difficult question. ഇനി ആ ക്വസ്റ്റിനേക്കാൾ ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വേറെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇല്ല. ദ മോസ്റ്റ് ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഏറ്റവും ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ എന്ന അർത്ഥത്തിലാണ് ദ മോസ്റ്റ്. Okay, we use. Okay, children, this is you have to remember. First, we discussed in the last class, remove y and add ier. Then second one, just double the consonant and add er. Then some adjectives we can use est. Before that est we have to use the. Then in some situations the most we will use. Okay, so this you have to remember. I think children, exercise number B is given the write the correct form of adjectives given in the brackets. Write than or the accordingly. Than or the accordingly. Okay, I think you can do it yourself. Today itself you have to just try to do this exercise number B. Okay, this is today's class. Okay, comparison we had learned in last 2 classes how to compare places, persons, things, etc. So the different steps we discussed in last 2 classes. Okay, children, just to read the textbook, just to read textbook 2-3 times and try to do this exercise. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.